outside. Fishing trip. What's the gilly got over there? Yeah, man. Alright, so we're at the first location. So let's see, so. Man, like fisherman Jack there, sir. At that. We'll rig up the line. That's all this, sir. This is what it is. Reach out by the bar mouth. So yeah. Yes, people, so we're going back up the river. As you can see. Evening sun coming in. And we're paddling. Oh. River nice one. That's all, yeah. So we're going up the river. And guess what? If you treat the come and show them how to catch fish out here. You see it? So we're going up the road with some fish. We can't go up the road empty handed, you understand? Where's the skipper? Yeah. And that. And that. Paddling all the way up the river, you see it? And we outside, that's the type of life we live in. Yeah, they enjoy life, you know, man. You see it? Full joy of that. That's a full joy of the thing, you know? Nothing with end. So we do it. Up full the thing. See the other boat going up there, so creating big wake. Two big engine on that boat up there. Hey, what kind of how are the Yama? I am a jam dog. And we're going up the road. Yes, sir, we're going to pass them, sir. See the plane out there, sir. I'm in the wetlands of Jamaica. Very nice. True, that's what that boat chop it just now. Straight up. Just a full dry the thing. Up the river. The big fisherman, yes, sir. We put food on the table. That is, sir. Catch all on the inside, okay? already told you so. I don't remember if I showed you, but they did catch. About to make dinner, you know. They say there's a, I don't know what they call it, now. They say a snook. And they two jack. If you know the correct name, if that is not the right name, tell me in the comment section. Alright?